Hey there, foodies and English lovers! Today we're heading to the most delicious classroom of all, the restaurant. But watch out! While you're enjoying your meal, you might be making some subtle yet common English mistakes. Let's avoid this culinary faux pas and learn how to speak like a seasoned diner. Let's dive in. First up, the classic question from your server: how do you find the meal? Many learners interpret find literally, thinking it means to locate or to discover. In this context, find is used to ask for an opinion or a review of something. It's like asking, what do you think of the meal, or how is the meal for you? For example, how did you find the steak? I found it to be perfectly cooked. You have just finished your appetizer and you are ready to see what's next. You want to ask for the next course. The mistake is to ask, may I see the plates? While plates are part of the meal in a restaurant context, when you are referring to the actual food dishes or the menu items, you use the word dishes. Plates are the physical objects you eat from. Like in, we've finished our starters. May I see the dishes for the main course? Now, when you are talking about the most substantial part of your meal, what do you call it? It's incorrect to say, I'll have the principal. Principal usually refers to a person like a school principal, or something that is most important in general. In a restaurant, the primary food item is the main course. For instance, for my main course, I'd like the grilled salmon. Let's talk about what you put on your salad or your bread. It's not okay to ask for sauce when you mean salad dressing. While dressing is a type of sauce in the context of salads, we specifically use the word dressing. Sauce is usually for other dishes like pasta, meat, or desserts. To demonstrate, this salad needs a bit more dressing. Imagine you are at a nice Italian restaurant and you want to order something simple yet delicious. It's a mistake to say, I want a pasta. We usually refer to the specific type of pasta dish or simply pasta as a general food. Saying a pasta sounds a bit like you are ordering just one piece of spaghetti. The best practice is, I'd like pasta, or I'll have the spaghetti. To illustrate, I'm craving some delicious pasta tonight. Now you want to tell your friend about the amazing food you had. It's wrong to say the food is good. While not grammatically incorrect, good is a very basic word. To sound more descriptive and enthusiastic, especially about restaurant food, use stronger adjectives. The right way is, the food is delicious, the food is fantastic, or the food is exquisite. For instance, this restaurant has truly delicious food. You've finished your meal and are ready to go. It's incorrect to say, I want the bill. Want can sometimes sound a bit demanding in a restaurant. It's more polite to use can I have or could I have. The accepted practice is, may I have the bill please, or could I get the check please. Check is more common in American English. Like in, excuse me, could I have the bill please? You are at a restaurant and want to ask the waiter for a recommendation. It's a mistake to ask, what is good here? It's grammatically okay, but a bit informal and less specific. The optimal way is, what do you recommend? Or, what's your specialty? For example, what do you recommend from the menu? You want to tell your companion about the wonderful taste of something. It's wrong to say, this tastes me good. The structure is incorrect. The best practice is, this tastes good, or this tastes delicious. To demonstrate, wow, this soup really tastes delicious. You are excited about a particular dish and want to express your anticipation. It's incorrect to say, I'm excited for the food. Exciting describes something that causes excitement. You are the one feeling the excitement. The proper way is, I'm excited about the food. To illustrate, I'm really excited about trying the dessert. There you have it, 10 common mistakes to avoid in a restaurant. Mastering these little nuances will not only make you a more confident communicator, but also a more delightful diner. Which of these mistakes have you made? Share in the comments below. Until next time, happy eating and happy speaking. See you soon!